Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Bill from Aztec Products. Just want to introduce you to our two newest machines, both battery powered, and they're both going to be on display out at the ISSA show in Vegas next month. Come see us at booth 4107 at ISSA. You can see both of the machines. Battery powered, zero emissions, no emissions, quiet. These are machines that can be run in any occupied facility. We think they're going to be great in healthcare facilities like hospitals, nursing homes. There's always people in those facilities. These things are super quiet. It's less noise than running a vacuum cleaner. So 24-inch Sidewinder Cobalt, battery powered, 3+ hours of runtime. Edge Glider, battery powered, 4 to 5 hours runtime. Come see me at ISSA. Get your floors done 10 times faster than using a swing machine. Now you can do it in occupied buildings. We'll see you at the ISSA show. Thanks.